Hi, everybody. It's Ms Enanna. I'm so happy to see you today. We are going to practice saying some words today. Are you ready? Okay, everyone. I'm here with my friend Kiki the cat. Hi, Kiki. We're going to say words that start with the k sound. Let's say it together. That's right. I'm putting my hand here because I can feel it in the back of my throat. Let's try it again. Very nice. All of these words will start with the letter K or C. We're going to say each one 5 times and then feed it to Kiki. Ready? Our first word is kiss. Here we go. Kiss. 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 Excellent work. Great start. Pretty good. Our next word is can. Here we go. Can. 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 Wow, everyone. Our next word is cup. Ready? Cup. 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 Wow. Remember to go nice and slowly and say it with me. Our next word is come. 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 Nice work. Our next word here is kid. 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 Good work. Our next word is cut. Here we go. Cut. 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 Excellent job. Our next word is cow. Here we go. Cow. 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 Nice job. Our next word is car. 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 Nice job. We have a couple more to go. Comb. Ready? Comb. 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 Nice work. And our last word is key. 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 Good job, everyone. Well, we are all done for today. Thank you so much for working with me, and I'll see you soon. Bye.